Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get free money on Solitaire Cash. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing is from daily bonus and login rewards. Many Solitaire Cash app rewards you for logging in daily. This could include coins, extra cards, or even cash rewards. Be sure to log in every day to collect these bonuses. Some versions of Solitaire Cash feature a daily wheel or spin where you can win free money, coins, or other rewards by simply spinning once a day. Second is to complete daily tasks and challenges. Some Solitaire Cash offers daily or weekly tasks that reward you with money or other valuable in-game terms for completing them. This could include reaching a certain score, playing a number of games, or participating in specific challenges. Completing special challenges or missions within the game can reward you with free money or entry into special events with cash prizes. Then third is to participate in tournaments and leaderboards. Competing in tournaments is a gateway to win free money, as many Solitaire Cash app has cash prize tournaments. Some apps reward top players in the leaderboards with free money and cash prizes. Make sure to check your leaderboard rankings regularly and try to improve your position. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.